People adore Tommy Shelby from Peaky Blinders. He's a quiet, introverted character who is also incredibly charismatic. While you might not want to emulate Tommy in every way, there are 8 habits you can learn from him to gain more respect from those around you. Even though Peaky Blinders is a scripted TV show, the psychology covered in this video applies to real life. The first thing you notice about Tommy is his slow, relaxed movements. When he's not in a physical fight, he's almost never in a rush. This deliberate pace instantly gives the sense that he's above feeling intimidated. Moving slowly and comfortably in stressful situations shows that you're not scared or pressured. Along with slow movements, Tommy's ability to hold eye contact, even during conflict, contributes to his confidence. However, it's crucial not to hold eye contact all the time, especially during conflict. Knowing when to break eye contact signals confidence without escalating tension. Tommy's non-reactive demeanor in the face of hostility is another key aspect of his character. Being non-reactive demonstrates confidence in handling any situation, earning respect from others. He maintains his cool even in extreme situations, projecting confidence under pressure. To command attention in large groups, Tommy makes himself as big as his audience. Using expansive gestures when speaking to a larger audience helps capture their attention. Beyond body language, how you speak plays a vital role in commanding respect. Tommy's word choice reflects conviction, especially when discussing his plans for the future. He doesn't express hopes or desires but asserts what he will accomplish. Conviction can also be conveyed through tone, with a downward inflection signaling confidence. Tommy's slow speaking cadence and strategic use of pauses further contribute to holding attention. Before we move forward, join our 1% Men community by clicking the like and subscribe button for more valuable life lessons, brother. Alright, let's move on. One of Tommy's defining features is his ability to project power without raising his voice. He knows what people want or fear, allowing his quiet words to carry immense weight. His use of carrot and stick motivation, though extreme in the show, can be applied in real life. For example, when seeking a raise or promotion, focus on adding value to the company and propose a plan. If an agreement is reached, deliver on your promises. If not, having alternative job offers serves as the stick without resorting to extreme measures. Remember, brother, by incorporating Tommy Shelby's habits, such as deliberate movements, strategic eye contact, non-reactivity, expansive gestures, conviction in speech, and a strategic use of pauses, you can command more respect in your personal and professional life.